Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-tune in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is select the vocal track. So vocal chop is right here for me. Now, what we are going to do is open up the mixer, which is at the bottom, these three horizontal lines chart like this one, as you can see. Okay, now this is basically the whole screen right now. So I will close this mixer and open this middle one. Basically, we need this one for now more. So we will click here on empty audio FX, where you see this plus icon, and we will select pitch. So where it is pitch, and now pitch correction, and yes, like that. Okay, now we can set this basically however we want. So root note can be select basically starting note of your song. So if you know the starting note, then you can wait a minute. Then you can uh, put the root here. So let's say C. Then we have scale. We can usually use major or natural minor. So we have natural minor scale or major scale. Now, if this key does not match your instrumental track, the plugin will pull your voice into the wrong notes. So yeah, you need to know how you start this route basically. Now turn this response button here all the way to fast. This will force the pitch to snap instantly to the grid. So we have here 0 milliseconds. This is for a robotic effect. Now for the natural correction, set the response slider here between 40 milliseconds to 80 milliseconds, so the pitch glides smoothly into place. Now the tuning, keep this at okay, so keep this at 0, okay, like so. And yeah, this is basically how you can auto tune. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.